Leo in the 7, Travis in the 8, Tim in the 9. Thank you, Lynn. Turn marshals, let me see your hands. Thank you, guys. Drivers ready. Turn marshals, look alive. We're going at the sound of the tone. Let's keep it clean, drivers. Keep it clean. Tamiya Super GT on the track. Oh, looking on the inside, Jonathan Ing taking over the lead. That Corsica gray color car down the back straightaway out front.
Oh, man, thanks a lot.
Good inside turn of Jonathan Ing on the inside of Pantana. Making it work and keeping it up there. Going down the back straight, that's your leader. Jonathan Ing, Candyman in the 2, and Samuel in the 3. Nope, Karita moving up to the 3. One down, 4 to go. Jonathan, Candyman, John, Cadillo up to the 3 spot. There's Jonathan Ing right there in the Corsica gray. That is the NSX body. Coming around the sweeper, coming down the back straight right now. Candyman in the all orange car in the 2. And then we got John Cadillo in the white car with the orange trim in the 3. So that's your battle for second. Orange car and the white and orange car. Your leader down the back straight right now. That is Jonathan Ing across the line. 130 down, 330 to go. We got 2 down, 3 to go. Jonathan, Candyman, and John, Sam, and Steven, your top 5. This is race number 6 on the track, race number 7. Formula 1, you guys are next. Formula 1, start thinking about heading to staging. Jonathan getting through traffic. Ooh, the traffic in front of Nick getting fixed up. Go ahead and face him the other way. Go ahead and face him the other way. Let him go down that way. Go ahead, go. Just
Yo,
go.
get off the
good.
fucking track.
230 down, 230 to go. Jonathan, Candyman, and John. 1, 2, 3. No real battle on the track. Closest one is Candyman and John Cadillo around the sweeper, down the back straight they go. $330 down, 130 to go. Seconds, Jonathan, Candyman, and Sam, top 4.
Ah, shit.
30 seconds to go, drivers, 30 seconds. Formula 1, shipping and staging, you are next. Oh, Rubbins Racing. Sometimes 8 wheels turn better than 4. 10 seconds to go, drivers. That is time. Everyone keep going. Finish the lap you're on. Jonathan, you're done. Even after hitting the little cone there. That's pretty good. It's been a while. That is a race. Jonathan Ing taking the win, take it to the podium. Jonathan Ing into 1.